5 seconds to go. Start. The United Nations has become progressively more representative. Stop. But we must remember that, even now, it is not fully so. Stop. Colonialism still has its strong footholds in some parts of the world, and racialism are still prevalent, especially in Africa. Stop. The United Nations has often been criticized for its structure and for some of its activities. Stop. Para. The structure of the United Nations, when it started, was weighted in favor of Europe and the Americas. Stop. It did not seem to us to be fair to the countries of Asia and Africa. Stop. But we appreciated the difficulties of the situation and did not press for any changes. Stop. With the growth of the United Nations and more countries coming in, its structure today has become still more unbalanced. Stop. Even so, we wish to proceed slowly and with agreement and not to press for any change which would involve an immediate amendment of the Charter and the raising of heated controversies. Stop. Unfortunately, we live in a split world which is constantly coming up against the basic assumptions of the United Nations. Stop. We have to bear with this and try to move even more forward to the conception of full cooperation between nations. Stop. That cooperation does not and must not mean any domination of one country by another, any coercion or compulsion forcing a country to line up with another country. Stop. Each country has something to give and something to take from others. Stop. Para. The moment coercion is exerted on a country, not only is its freedom impaired, but its growth suffers. Stop. We have to acknowledge that there is great diversity in the world and that this variety is good and is to be encouraged, so that each country may grow and its creative impulse might have full play in accordance with its own genius. Stop. Hundreds and thousands of years of history have conditioned us in our respective countries, and our roots go deep down into the soil. Stop. If these roots are pulled out, we wither. Stop. If these roots remain strong and we allow the winds from four quarters to blow in upon us, they will yield branch, flower and fruit. Stop. Para. Many of the speakers from this forum have surveyed the world scene and spoken on a variety of problems. Stop. I would like to concentrate on what I consider the basic problem of all. Stop. My mind is naturally filled with problems of my own country and our passionate desire to develop and to put an end to the poverty and low standards of living which have been a curse to hundreds of millions of people. Stop. Para. I am seeking clarifications, sir. Stop. But at the same time, the government has come out with a policy of decontrol of molasses. Stop. Ultimately, what would happen to these molasses? Sign of interrogation. Suppose we are producing 100 units of molasses, out of 100 unit of molasses, how much is being used for potable alcohol? Sign of interrogation. How much is being used for manufacturing Indian trade? Stop. Foreign liquor? Sign of interrogation. How much of what percentage is being used for other chemical or pharmaceutical industries? Sign of interrogation. The minister has to clarify these things. Stop. My information is that nearly 80% of the molasses which is produced in this country is being used for potable alcohol and other liquors. Stop. If it is decontrolled, comma, who is going to have control over the manufacture of illicit liquor and arrack? Sign of interrogation. Then what would happen? Sign of interrogation. How is the central government going to exercise control over its distribution, comma, its transportation, comma, its pricing? Sign of interrogation. Will the central government assure this house that it will take every step to see that molasses is not diverted for production of illicit liquor in the states where prohibition is already introduced, comma, for example, comma, Tamil Nadu? Sign of interrogation. For example, comma, in Tamil Nadu. Stop. After October, it is going to be in Andhra Pradesh. Stop. Just now, Mr. Yashwant Sinha has pointed out that the excise commissioners of some states have objected to it. Stop. What is the reaction of the government? Sign of interrogation. How would the government exercise control over the state governments? Sign of interrogation. What is the mechanism? Sign of interrogation. What is the competency of the central government to have any control over the state governments? Sign of interrogation. He has to explain this. Stop. The minister has already committed that sugar factories are already lobbying for decontrol of molasses. Stop. I have no objection to that. Stop. I have no quarrel with it. Stop. Every industry has to exercise some lobby in order to survive. Stop. But what profit would the sugar factories get out of decontrol? Sign of interrogation. What additional income would they get by decontrolling molasses? Sign of interrogation. Are the sugar factories prepared to share this additional income with the cane producers? Sign of interrogation. This is another important issue. Stop. I would like to know from the minister whether he has any talk, comma, any dialogue, comma, any discussion with his counterpart, comma, Mr. Kalpanath Rai, comma, in this regard. Stop. I would like to know from the minister whether the sugar mills have assured the government that they would share this additional profit with the farmers. Stop. These are some of my questions for clarification. Stop. Thanking you. Stop. Para. Madam, comma, one of the major recommendations of the new education policy is establishment of a rural university. Stop. The Gandhi Gram pattern of a rural university combines academic excellence and social relevance, and the courses are need based. Stop. A study was made about the graduates who go out of the Gandhi Gram University, of which I had the privilege of being vice chancellor for several years. Stop. This study shows that 64% of the graduates are employed immediately, and during the year, 20% go for higher studies and 5% are self-employed. Stop. The Gandhigram graduates become part of the solution. Stop. And not part of the problem. Stop. The Gandhigram model should be replicated with necessary modifications. Stop. The National Policy on Education, 1986 says, the new pattern of the rural university will be consolidated and developed on the lines of Mahatma Gandhi's revolutionary ideas on education, so as to take up the challenges of micro planning at grassroots level for the transformation of rural areas. Stop. Para. I would urge the government to take steps to implement the rural university scheme. Stop. May I also urge the government to expedite the functioning of the Nagaland University, an area where I worked for many years for peace mission, and also to strengthen the finances of the Northeastern Hill University, Stowe. I agree with the honorable member who said that the Northeastern region should get high priority in the matter of finance. Stowe